directions.
What's happening?
Well, then we gotta turn it.
Well, it won't expand until we cut that one.
Right.
Is this a king?
That's the bottom. Now you gotta go to the end and lift it up and over. Sure doesn't look like a king. Are you sure that's what you ordered?
Yeah, you told me to order a twin. Well, I think we just rip off the plastic.
No, you don't. You have to carefully cut it if you read the directions. Here,
See,
why'd you put those down? Here.
I don't know.
Don't cut the mattress.
Man, how is that? That looked like a twin mattress. Lay on it.
No, it's not ready yet.
It says you can lay on it right away.
Go ahead.
It feels good.
Feels like a trampoline.
First night, Tuft needle. Hold on. First night review. I can't talk. First night, Tuft and Needle mattress review. Go. What'd you think?
Not gonna lie, kind of a restless sleep last night. First day of work, kind of hot outside. Weren't running the air conditioner. Fan only.
So there were some external factors that played in, right?
Right.
Okay.
So I say we give it more than a night before we give our full review.
Yeah, I mean, it wasn't like the best sleep of my life. It was okay. It was all right. I'm willing to give it a few more days and then come back and do another review. Are you?
Sounds good.
Week and a half Tuft and Needle mattress review. Go! Tuft and Needle mattress review. 1.5 weeks in. Go. Okay. Thank you. 1.5 weeks in. How do you feel?
Comfort. I'm about at like a 5, maybe a 6 out of 10.
Okay. Yeah, I'm probably right there with you. The first 4 or 5 nights, not fun.
Not at all. It was really hard.
Still getting used to it, kind of restless with the sleep. You're like, man, this mattress is hard as rock. I made the biggest mistake of my life. So after the 5th night, though, I'm like, man, this is comfortable. You know, it starts to get a little softer. It's not as hard. You're breaking it in a little bit more. You know, we still are in the summertime, so the mattress tends to get a little hot.
It is hot. The coolness factor, I don't know. I
don't think it's any worse than our old mattress, but it still gets hot like any other mattress, I find.
Yes.
The other thing I do like about it is that if I'm moving around, jostling around, it doesn't move you on the other side of the bed, so then you don't wake up.
That's true.
So
you do move quite often, and I don't feel it anymore.
Right. I'm willing to give it, you know, a couple more months, but I'm really starting to like the mattress.
I'm working on it. Overall, out of 10, I'd probably give it a 5 or a 6. Yeah. I don't know. Some people have those immediate responses, and they loved it.
Right.
So
yeah.
It wasn't us.
I still like this mattress better than our old normal spring mattress that we slept on for many, many years. Week and a half, Tuft and Needle mattress review. Go! Okay, that's not going to work. Week and a half, Tuft and Needle mattress review. Go! Oh, gosh. Oh. Sorry. Week and a half, Tuft and Needle mattress review. Go!
I can't get it to do
then it just won't work. Week and a half, Tuft and Needle